Okay, here's the Burnside Cemetery. This looks like a newer section up in here. It's not very big. Right there's, what is that, Old 3C or Galena Road. This is Lewis Center Road. And if you look over this way towards the lake, it does look like some older tombstones. So I'm gonna go see if I can spot any of the names. Older tombstones here. Barely read. Smaller ones probably for children then. I'm not real sure. Most of these can't even read. So I'm definitely going to say this is where they moved some of the other ones. I particularly do not like going into cemeteries. This is a thing I have. And you can't even hardly read any of these older ones. A few newer ones in here. Not the little ones. Wesley. Wesley? That name looks familiar. $1868 on that one. I can't even read that one. So I'm sure this is the section they moved some of them stones to. Not 100% sure on that, but the main one I'm kind of looking for is Nutt. Any of the Nutts. There's several of them that own land in that area, and that's the namesake of the cemetery. $1851, age 24. Can't even read them. Hope I got enough room on here. Video don't shut down because still got a lot of fishing videos on there. I never even see her. Sorry about walking on you guys. Freeman. Hannah Lunaberry. Need some Lunaberries. You can't read the majority of these. Then again, 1800s. 1841, 47 maybe. Conkle, I've seen that name on the map before. $1881. This rock. Don't see nothing written on that one. I'm just gonna say these ain't just for children. They just didn't have, I'd say, money for nice big stones. 18, maybe 94. $1846 maybe. See, I'm pretty sure Billy Kidd died in 1880 something. 82 maybe. Somewhere in there. 1878. Joneses. There's the Conkle. More. There's quite a few of these old ones here. Another Freeman. $1891. Another one that's kind of fallen over. I got that, buddy. With no names that I can read. These ones up here really look. And again, they're in the tree section. 1847. $1889, Whitney. The obelisk one. $1840. Cannot make the name out there. Another one falling over. Sorry about that. Rogers, 18 something. $18.16. Dang. That's right after the 1700s. I was born in the 1700s. 1821. Cannot get the names of some of these though. An infant. Oh. Glosson. I can't read her name. Daughter of Daniel and Martha. I don't see your name. There's Martha. $1842 maybe. $1853. $1808 or 38. 21 years old again. 11 months and 10 days. More Wells. That's who that one was. Wells. A and W. So far, I've not seen more Glosson. 1826. Sure. I don't even know if you guys, it looks dark in the video. 1826. $1821. Still have not found Nutt. Gotta be either in this section $1919. Another one falling over. Another Glosson. 1874. Father. Another Glosson. 1883 maybe. Wesley. Ramelsburg. 1857 to 1931. 1859 to 1919. I believe my grandma was born in 1919. 1891. Aged 30 years. $18.24. Emirati. 19 somethings when this one died. Sorry, buddy. William. 1888. Carrie. Was 1891. 25 years. Couple of them right in there. Well, I'm gonna say Nutt is one of these that I can't, or not McNutt, but Nuts. $18.50 to 19, maybe 1 or 7. Shaw. 1839 to 1903. Meeker, that's pretty new. Well, not really. 1885, 1948, 1895 to 1937. A lot newer headstone though. Maud Francis Simpson. Colliers. (1901), born 1824, and the two end ones. Mother. I can't really make that out. And that's pretty much it. One there. NWS. ALS. Something like that. I'm not sure if that's one there or it's just a rock. Well, I couldn't find Nutt. I'll walk up through this newer section just to see if there's another special section, but I'm going to say these are part of the ones that they moved. I don't know how long this cemetery had been here. And when they moved them here, was these ones here already here, or a lot of them. But as I can see, I don't see no nuts. Okay. I don't want to be disrespectful or anything, but make me a little chuckly at times. Dwight Rogers, 1889. These are much newer up here. Much newer. They said they had a section. Sergeant. These are all newer up here, but veteran sections here. Alright, well, I'm gonna still walk around. I ain't gonna videotape it unless I find one. Just a quick video of the signage they have here. And look from this angle. That older section's way back in that corner there by them trees. But I don't see nothing of any newer or older stuff. Here's a little section over here. Maybe there's something in here. All these other ones are fairly new. One's actually back just recently in August. Alright, here's a little older section. Rogers. Um, 17 years old. Can't make that one out. Up there's a nut. There's some nuts. 1878 to 1940. Franklin J. Nutt. And this must be their children's. Several of them right here. This must be the little area that they moved into then. Go back this way. Here's Alley Nutt. 1890. $80 old, I think. Some more. 1879. So yeah, this is the, I'm going to say this is the area that they moved. Can't make out these ones. Dixon. Can't make that out. $1816 to, or must have been died, yeah. 19 years old again. A lot of youngins. A lot of nuts here, yeah. Already did this section. Like some little ones here. There's a Henry Nutt. 1851. Another nut. Can't really make that out. $1866 maybe. Dixon. 1868. 7 years. Another Dixon. 1880. 22 maybe. Russell. Amos Roberts, 1857 to 1895, 38 years. Then we're getting into some newer ones. Crosses here. Well, I think this is the little section here. This would have been the ones they moved just north of County Line, Smothers Road or whatever. And they moved these ones because of the lake. And there's the old section over there, and just a lot more newer ones. So anyways, this is Burnside Cemetery, where they moved the graves to. Hope I didn't disturb y'all. Thank you for letting me come in here. So anyways, now I want to check out where something else here. All right. Now the thing that I wanted to check out was somewhere out there. I believe there's a couple missing bridge abutments that I do not know about, and I need to find them. This used to go across, then would cross Big Walnut and continue to the other side before the lake. So there's got to be, unless they destroyed it, which they could have done. This looks like private property here, so I'm not going to go walking down in there. I just need to try to get up here when it's low and the kayak or something. But this is Lewis Center, and right there's Burnside Cemetery. And it used to go across, but I've never seen, and I've walked out there before, but I never paid no attention to that though at the time. And I'm pretty sure, I'm almost positive I was able to get out there that low period time. But was it low enough to see if there was any bridge abutments? But this is Old Lewis Center, so it used to go across Hoover, or before Hoover, and there was a bridge that crossed over Big Walnut, just like all the other ones. Maxtown Road, although it's not, it was actually Maxwell. Walnut. What's the other one? There's one more. Oh, the covered bridge one. So Yankee Street. Anyways, there's over that section. There's the ones they moved. Back there's the older ones. They're really starting right there, all the way back to them trees. And there is Hoover. Alright, I've got this portion figured out.